Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean the coil on your AC unit. This one, as you can see, is very dirty, so it needs cleaning, and also there's a lot of dirt in between the blades. So I'm going to try to use this tool that I just got from Lowe's. You can get it also at Home Depot. And this is the brush that you basically move in between the blades to get the dirt out, and I'm gonna show you before and after effect so you can see how it looks. And now to clean the coil, I'm using coil cleaner foam. All you have to do is just spray that foam right on this, and so after a couple of minutes you can see that there's gonna be really dirty water coming down out of the coils, and this is recommended to be done at least once a year, depending on how dirty your unit might be. You can see how dirty everything is. So now, after spraying the foam, I'm just spraying with the regular water to remove all the dirt, and everything will drain to the pan and to my drain, and all it has to do is dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna be ready to run it again.